Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which allows you to create API keys for completely free. It also allows a playground section where you can try out all the AI models for completely free. This website is GitHub Models. If you directly search this on Google, the very first website which comes, it's developed by GitHub, which is a really trusted website. So they have this models playground section. As you see, you have this marketplace where you can try out all the AI models. It can be Claude, Gemini, GPT. Some models are free, some models are paid. So you have this playground section of GitHub. If you click on that, directly you will be granted to this interface. A single API key is for all the models and billing, quick personal setup, free to start, no charges until you hit their rate limit. So it's completely unlimited, free too. And from here you select whatever model that you want to select. You can even view all the models from here. So a total of about 500 models are there. So from here you select whatever model that you want to select. So you can select any model. Let's suppose I select this DeepSeek model. So after selecting that model, it will give you this description related to this model, the actual information related, the pricing, everything for every model. So now if you want to use this model, you click this button. It also gives you this context window, the free rate limit, everything related to this. And you click this use this model, and after that it also gives you instructions how to use this. First of all, you need to create a personal access token inside GitHub to actually use this. After you do this, you can actually use through Node.js, replace your GitHub token right here. And this is the endpoint that you will hit. So first of all, let me show you how to use the playground section. It's completely free. So this is the playground section. As you can see right here, we have a chat prompt. So we are you now using the GPT-5 model from OpenAI. So you can ask any question right here. This Some models are free, some models are rate limited. So just select whatever model that you want to select. So now you can see we are using Llama 3.370 billion parameter. So is there something you can see now it is responding. So you can ask any question. So you can see that we asked this question. So it actually generated the response for us. A full application it has generated. So in this easy way, you can ask any question. Just you can also compare different models as well. All the models are there, which is Grok, DeepSeek. So side by side, you can actually compare different models. So you can see that. So this is a complete free way by which you can use any model for completely free. So they also have their API section where you can also connect the API and call any model. So they have the REST API. So for that you need to create a access token for this for calling the API. So if I show you, Now to get started, first of all, you select the model from here. Click on, and then you need to create a personal access token. So just need to verify this. So right here you create this GitHub models token directly. So just allow all the access. Just stick to the default option and click on this generate token. So this will be your API key once it is generated. So simply copy this API key or this GitHub models token. So right here, simply copy this. And now to connect with this API, you need to go to, you can either install this extension, which is Roo code inside VS Code. This is a really good extension if you want to connect to APIs. So go to this settings options. If you see, click on that, and from here the API provider, you will simply select GitHub. I think just select OpenAI compatible. Yeah, so you need to select this OpenAI compatible. And right here, you paste this API key that you got, this token. And for the base URL, exactly, let me show you the base URL. So the base URL which will be, yeah, so this will be the base URL. Simply copy this base URL. So just paste this base URL, the API key and the OpenAI compatible. And now for the model, all the models I think should show. If right here the model is not showing, you can use another extension, Clean, which is a very popular extension. The same goes right here. I think they support GitHub or no. So OpenAI compatible, simply just paste this. So paste this model name as well. Simply copy this name. Just for the API, let me create another API. I think I so click on done and just put a hi message. You will now see it will definitely respond after you configured all the things properly in this extension. Clean, CLINE. So you can see we are using this model from here. Tokens limit reached, maximum size. I think just use any other model which I think I've used all the tokens, so that's why just used any other model. Let me select this model, for example, Llama. So just make sure that you have tokens for this. Some API providers will, some extensions will not work with this. Uh, so you can directly create a Python script as well. They give you this Python script, ready-made Python script. So just create this. So right here we are simply making a post request, all the information. So right here you select the GitHub token that you have. So directly execute this Python script, python app.py. So this is a free way by which you can call GitHub models, all the AI models. For each model, they give you all this code. For example, just select the language Python, JavaScript. So definitely try this.